Alrighty, let's begin with the Purview tutorial hands-on. So first things first, in order to get the data, um, we can keep the our source files in the storage account. I'll show you in a while the sources or what we need, right? So basically, Purview uses the Excel sheets or CSV uh, or TSV for source. If we go here in Purview, there are basically two portals. Like one is the new one, which you are seeing, and another is the old one. If we toggle this off, so if you aren't seeing many options here, compliance manager, data catalog, so you need to click on solutions, and you need to click one of them, like information barrier. If I click, so it starts now appearing here. Same goes if it's not appearing for compliance manager and data catalog, right? So you need the owner or data curator role to get into Microsoft Purview to at least view these kind of things. Otherwise, the hands-on will be difficult a bit for you. So let's just get started with the Purview. So we have the data catalog here. So we can ingest our source. Basically, the classic options are Azure and Fabric, right? So if I click on Azure, it will be again many things we can ingest from SQL Server, data lake, storage, Blob, which I have already I'm using right now, right? So let's open one of our storage account here. We can definitely browse here the data sources, right? The storage account or the container, right? That's how we browse. Then we have many things here. So there can be like scans and all. Let me go to the older Purview portal. I'll toggle this off. It will say switch. Let's click on switch. Now we have the manager here, right? If you see, um, the things grayed out means like we don't have maybe permissions. And here if you see these scan rule sets, right? So scan rule sets are common, like if we want to classify sensitive data such as emails, phone numbers, you need an enterprise account for it. Maybe the trial account uh, doesn't support, right? Where we can detect patterns like regex and all used to we can even point out specific data like keywords, like any kind of keyword like confidential word you want to find in a text document or in a CSV file. So those kind of things scans generally does, right? So that's what it goes for these scans. Now let me go back to the new portal. By try the new portal, I'll toggle this on. So here we go. We have the data catalog. So catalog basically detects sensitive data, proving compliance detection is working. So that's what is the overview of Purview. We'll dive later into the creating cases and all using e-discovery. So there are tons of things here in the Purview, but to make this as simple for now, with regards to compliance and all, we have compliance manager where we have kind of reports and all. I currently have no data here, that's why it's 0%. But in enterprise or your IT company projects, you definitely will have data, and this value will be something, right? You'll have detailed report as well. So that's what it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.